In this video, we'll start a scripts window. The scripts are shown in the table. The first column contains the script name. The second column contains the script type. The third column contains the execution type. To create a new script, click right button on the window and choose appropriate menu item. Let's create several scripts to demonstrate values in the table. You can open script you want to edit by choosing appropriate menu item from the context menu or by double-clicking. To copy and delete script, you want to have to choose appropriate menu items. To edit script properties, choose appropriate menu item. To create group, choose New Script Group menu item. Enter name of the group. To create subgroup, right-click on the group and choose New Script Subgroup. You can organize your scripts tree as you want by drag and drop scripts and by using Add to Group menu item from the context menu. To find products elements that use this script, you have to use a reference to menu item. You can export the script you want by choosing appropriate menu item. Extension of the file looks like this. You can use this script in other projects by importing it. You can also export and import all scripts of the project. Thank you for watching.